Hey guys, how's it going? We're still in New York. We're going to review today David's Page and Funnel. He's the Money Twitter CEO. I know he's a big LA Dubai guy. I know he's not the biggest fan of New York, but yeah, we're still in New York, so we're going to review his page now. So he's got the agencycourse.io. I've been following him for a while. I know he came out with this somewhat recently, I think, maybe a couple months ago, like October, November. Yeah, basically from the get go, he's got a great page. His offer is very simple, it's straightforward, and the way he presents it is great. So he's got right here in his header, good amount of text. He shows his offering, his USP, how anyone can start and bootstrap. So it's, you can see it's beginner friendly, but it's very simple. So start from the beginning, bootstrap, and grow to 5 to 20K per month, which is what most people are looking to make 5 to 10, 5 to 20K a month without sending thousands of cold emails, DMs. So this is people who's maybe tried cold emailing or whatnot, or DMs. He's got his VSL here, which is good, front and center, and he's got his CTA. He's done a great job with this page. Only thing I would do is maybe make this a little bit bigger, make the CTA bigger, widen this container and padding. On my screen, at least it's very narrow, but I can tell already he's probably got this page very mobile optimized, which is the most important thing, especially if you're showing it on Twitter, on your newsletter, whatnot. Then he shows, taking your agency farther, faster. So he's all about speed. And down here, okay, he's got his main principles, kind of like a process. And he's got here showcasing how many students he has. That's a lot of students. These tiles, 10 agency pathways, which if all this is true, that's fantastic. And just as powerful as somebody talking about you testimonials, it's showcasing your students' work, his students' agency. So this really speaks volumes. This is something not a lot of people can do. And the fact that he can do this and is doing it, it makes his social proof all the more powerful. So he's done a stellar job here. He's got multiple CTAs, which is great. You always need that. Don't just have the CTA in the top. Starting. He's going pretty crazy with the CTAs, but I'm all for it. Just make it as easy as possible to click, especially when you're on mobile with the containers. Pages get longer actually. He shows here his other offer, what he offers. So the intro, the sales, psychology. He gets deep into it. I would just make it. Me personally, I would maybe condense the text a bit more, maybe add some more icons, possibly make it more visual, but it's good. This guy knows what he's doing, so the page is converting. And you go down, he's got great stuff, and just, a lot of social proof. This still always does well. If you can't get videos, DMs with your clients, your customers, them showing you the results, especially if you're a coach, especially for coaches, it's just a fantastic way to go about it. So he's just got a lot of students, a lot of social proof, them telling him about their clients they've got. This is where you want to be as a coach. You want to have social proof like this. So this is up there with video testimonials, all that. It's just social proof. It's amazing. If I were him, I'd maybe move it up higher, but like have a smaller chunk of it higher. But he also showcases his clients' agency sites as well. So lifetime access, then he gets into the price. Buy now, don't waste any more time. You can also book a call with him. So I am always about just having one pathway. He splits it off into two, but for people who might already be sold on it, they're ready to buy right now, they don't need a call. It's good. He's got that in there right now. Fantastic page. This guy knows what he's doing.